Can you remember the first thing you saw right after you were born? How about the first sounds you heard? You probably have no memories from that time, but everything you've seen or heard since your birth has shaped your world. There's a limit to the amount any one individual can experience. Each life is so short, and there's so much to explore. By developing methods to record and preserve individual memories for future generations, the human race has been able to continue deepening our knowledge of the world. Accumulating knowledge enabled us to understand our planet more deeply, and then go on to explore the universe. This never-ending quest to expand our understanding is now poised to make a giant leap forward. It involves a highly advanced astronomical observation system, manned by a powerfully motivated team of researchers. The Atacama Desert in South America is the driest place on Earth, the ideal spot to construct a radio telescope observatory. This is Alma. How far will we be able to understand the universe?